Good morning students. In previous class we have learned multiplying by a 3-digit number. Now in this class let us learn about estimating products. Okay, estimating products. Already I said product means, for example, 2 3 is 2 3 is a 6. These 2 and 3 are factors and 6 is a product. After multiplying we get one answer. That answer is a product. Okay, here estimating product means we have to estimate the product, means we have to round up. Okay, before learning about these estimating products we have to learn about rounding of numbers. Okay, we have to learn about rounding numbers. Already I explained. Let us revise once again. Okay, rounding numbers. In this there are three types: rounding nearest to 10, nearest to 100, nearest to 1000. Okay, now we have to learn nearest to 10 and 100. Okay, already I told, for example, round up off to nearest to 10. Okay, rounding off to 10, nearest to 10 given question. For example, 72 is there, we have to round up nearest to 10, means we'll draw number line and we will do big process. If without doing that we can do directly also. Now I will explain how to do that. Okay, first, before doing this, less than 5, do you know less than 5? Less than 5 digits will be, digits are 0 to 9. Yes, less than 5 digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and greater than or equal to 5 means we'll get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits. Okay, look here children, 72 is there. We have to round up these 72 to its nearest to 10. Okay, to round up nearest to 10 we have to check ones place. Okay, if they gave nearest to 10 means we have to check ones place. Okay, which place? Yes, ones place. This is ones and tens. What is the digit in ones place? 2. This 2 is less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. If we get less than 5 means the 72 is rounded down. Okay, rounded down to, we have to write this 7 as it is, and for ones place we'll keep 0. Rounded down to 70. One more example, 85. Okay, 85. What is the digit in ones place? 5. Is it greater than or equal to 5 or less than 5? Greater than or equal to 5. So if we get greater than or equal to 5 means we have to round up. Okay, this 85 is rounded up to, if we get greater than or equal to means these numbers, if we get in ones place means we have to add 1 to the tens place. Okay, how much we have to add? 1 to the tens place. 8 plus 1, 9. For ones place we'll write 0. Okay, 85 is rounded up to 90. Very simple, very easy. If we get less than 5 in the ones place means we have to write this number directly. The digit in the tens place should be written directly and the ones place are zeros. If we get greater than 5 or equal to 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, these digits in ones place means we have to add 1 to the tens place. Okay, then it will be rounded up. If we are adding means it will be rounded up. If we are not adding means it will be rounded down. Let us, I will explain one more. 36. 36. What is the digit in ones place? 6. 6. 6 is greater than or equal to 5 or less than 5? Greater than or equal to 5. So greater than 5. So it is rounded up. If it is rounded up means we have to add 1 to this tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4 and ones place should be written 0. Okay, this is rounding off to nearest 10. Okay, now I will explain round up to nearest to 100. Okay, nearest to 100. For example, first one 732 is there. For nearest to 10, we have to check ones place. Okay, for nearest to 100, we have to check tens place. Okay, what is the digit in tens place? 3. Is it less than 5 or greater than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. If we get less than, then we have to round down. Rounded down to, what is the digit? 7 here, 0 0. Okay, if it is rounded down, we have no need to add anything for hundreds place. We'll write that number only, and for tens and ones we'll keep zeros. One more example, 593. 593. It is, we have to round up nearest to 100, so we have to check tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 9. 9 is greater than 5 or equal to 5 or less than 5? Greater than 5. So if we get greater than symbol, then we have to add 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, for 1 to the hundreds place. Nearest to 200 given, so we have to add 1 to the hundreds place. 5 plus 1 is 6, and these two digits we have to keep zeros. This is, if we are adding means, it will be rounded up to 600. Okay, one more example, 855. 855. What is the digit in tens place? 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and these two digits should be zeros. This is rounded, adding, we are adding here, so it will be rounded up to 900. Okay, very easy. If we get 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in ones place means we have to write directly. If we get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in ones place means we will add 1. For tens, rounding nearest to 10. If they gave rounding nearest to 100 means very simple, same, we have to check tens place. Okay, now estimating products. For example, first question, 53 into 28 is there. Okay, we have to estimate the product of 53 and 28. For that we'll write like this, 53 into 28. Okay, 53. 53, what is the digit in, this is the 2 digit number. If we get 2 digit number, then we have to round up nearest to tens. Okay, if we get 3 digit number means we will round up nearest to hundreds. Here it is a 2 digit number, so what is the digit for nearest to 10 means we have to check ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 3. 3 is less than 5, so we no need to add here, it will be rounded down to, we'll write 5 directly, so rounded down to 50. Okay, and here 28, what is the digit in ones place? 8. 8 is greater than or equal to 5, so we have to add 1 to these 2. This is, if we are adding means it will be rounded up to 2 plus 1 is 3, 30. Now multiply these 2. Very easy, we can do easily. Yes, zeros are there, so we'll keep zeros. 3 5s are 15. 1500. Now let us multiply this. 3 8s are 8 3s are 24. 2 carry. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 42. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 4 8 4 1. Okay, 1484. This 1484 is the actual product. actual answer. And this 1500 is the estimated product. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, one more example I will explain. 103 into 63 is there. This is the 103 is the 3 digit number and 63 is a 2 digit number. Okay, look here, nearest to 200 means we have to check tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 0. 0 is less than 5, so no need of adding here. So we'll directly write 100, so rounded down. Okay, here what is the digit? It is 2 digit number, so we have to round up nearest to 10. Or nearest to 10 means we have to check ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 3. 3 is also less than 5. If we get less than 5 means we will write this 6 rounded down, and this 63 is rounded down to 60. Okay, now multiply these two. Very simple, we'll write these all zeros here. 6 ones are 6, we got 6000. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 zeros are 0 plus 1, 6 ones are 6. Okay, we'll get 9 8 4 6. Therefore 6489 is rounded to 6000, and this 6489 is the actual product. Okay, and it is estimated product is 6000. Okay, like this you have to do. Look here children, textbook page number 120. Here estimated product is like the same, like this you have to do. Okay, up to now I said estimating the products by rounding the numbers to the nearest 10. First bit examples I said, B and D I said you have to do the remaining. Now I will explain estimate the product by rounding the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, look here, second bit A question. 111 into 178 is 111 into 170. Estimate the products by rounding the numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, we have to round up these numbers to its nearest 100. Okay, for that first we'll write 111 into 178. Okay, look here children, first round nearest to 100 given means we have to check tens place. Okay, hundreds given means we have to check tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5, so no need of adding here. We'll write rounded down to 100. Okay, here 1 is less than 5, so no need of adding here, so 100 will write directly. Next 178, we have to check nearest to tens, sorry, nearest to hundreds given means we have to check tens place. What is the digit in tens place? 7. 7 is greater than 5. If we get greater than 5, we have to add 1 to hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. These two remaining places will write zeros. 200. This is, if we are adding means it will be rounded up to 200. Now multiply these two. Okay, how many zeros are here? 4. We'll give directly 4 zeros. 2 ones are 2. Therefore 20,000 is the answer here. Here we'll do here 178 into 111. So we'll get 1 8 is 8, 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1. 1 8 is 8, 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1. 1 8 is 8, 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1. Okay, 8, 7 plus 8 is 15, 7 plus 8 is 15, 16, 17. 7 plus 1 is 8, 9. Therefore 19,758. This 19,758 is the actual product, actual product, and here 20,000 is the estimated product. Estimated product. Like this you have to do. If we get 3-digit numbers, we have to round up nearest to hundreds. If we get 2-digit number, means we have to round up nearest to tens. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, complete these remaining 4 problems. Now I will explain third question. I want to buy 12 shirts costing 258 each. Approximately how much money will I need? Look here. Cost of each shirt. How much? 258. Okay. Next, number of shirts. How many I need? 12. So we'll write here 12. Okay. Now multiply these 2. For this we have to round. Look here children, it is 3-digit number, so we have to round up nearest to hundreds. So what is the digit in tens place? 5. 5 is equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to this number. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we'll get here 300 into 12 is there. 12 is a 2-digit number. So we have to round up nearest to 10. What is the ones place? 2. 2 is less than 5. So no need to add here. We'll write directly 1 0. Now multiply these 2. 3000. Okay. 300 into 10 is 3000. Therefore, I need 3000 rupees approximately. Approximately means nearly. Okay. This is third answer. So this is the actual product and this is the estimated product. Okay. Today's homework is, I said in this B and D I said, so you have to do A, C, E as homework. Okay. In second bit I said A, you have to do B, C, D, E. Okay. 4. Here 3, here 4. And I said third problem you have to do this fourth one. This is your homework. Okay. Now look at fourth question. There are 75 rows of mango trees with 25 trees in each row. Approximately how many mango trees are there? Okay, this is homework for you. First you have to write number of rows of mango trees 75. Number of trees in each row 25. Round up these 75 and 25 to nearest to tens by because it is a 2-digit numbers, and then multiply. You will get approximately how much mango trees are there. Okay, do this one. This is homework for you. Okay, complete this one. And textbook page number 123. Here above fourth bit is there. Okay, fourth bit is there. Estimate the products by rounding numbers. In each case round to 10 or 100. Do this also. I will explain one problem here. Okay, look at first one. 46 into 23 is there. Okay, 46 into 23. 46 is a 2-digit number, so we have to check ones place. What is the digit in ones place? 6. 6 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to this number. 4 plus 1 is 5. This is rounded up to 50. Okay, 5 and 0. Next, this is also 2-digit number, so we have to check ones place. 3 is less than 5. No need to add. We will write rounded down to 2. What is the place value of 2? 20. So we'll write 20. Now multiply these 2. 2 zeros we will write. 2 5s are 10. Therefore 1000 we got. Here do this also. 3 6 are 18. 8 1 carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 5 10. Therefore 1058 is the actual product and estimated product is 1000. Okay, sometimes we will get estimated product less and sometimes we will get more. Okay, I said this A answer, you have to do B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, I will say H also now. 365 into 243. So we'll write like this, 365 into 243. Now estimate these values. Okay, this is that both are 3-digit numbers, so we have to check tens place. Nearest to 100 we have to do. So tens place, what is the digit here? 6. 6 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to this number. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 and these two are zeros. This is rounded up. And here what is a 4? 4 is less than 5, so no need to add, we'll write 2 directly and 2 zeros. Okay, here rounded down, you can write rounded up, rounded down also. And look, how many zeros are here? 4. So 1 2 3 4, 2 4s are 8, therefore 80,000 we got. Now we have to do this multiplication. I will do here. 365 into 243. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 is 19, 9, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Now 4 5s are 20, 0 here, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. 26 means 6, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Next 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry. Next 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 here, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore 5, 9 plus 0 is 9, 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 1 plus 7 is 8. Therefore 88,695 is the actual product. And this is the estimated product. Okay, like this you have to complete this total. I said A and H, remaining all complete in your fair notes. Okay, thank you.